Interior tone level is mild with this Flowmaster Delta 40 catback exhaust. Please follow us on all social media. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. At Rich's, you can pick your tips and your sound before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.